morning or whatever it is. Today I feel like making gingerbread. So when I was a little girl, my Scottish grandma and my aunt used to build these fantastic gingerbread houses for charity raffles and things they were involved in. And all I ever wanted to do was just take a massive bite out of one of them. And of course, I was never allowed to, so I think today is the day I am going to build a gingerbread house. Actually, something a little bit more than a gingerbread house, a gingerbread church. Ooh. And then I am going to take the biggest bite out of it. Hello and welcome back, you gorgeous people. Lady Heart here. So I've actually never made a gingerbread house before. I've built fake ones like the one you may have seen in my previous video. So because I haven't made one before, what I'm doing here is I'm first drawing up a little design of what I want. I'm roughly figuring out what shapes I'm going to need, and then I'm just making a quick cardboard model just to see if it'll all work. Now, there's a million gingerbread recipes online. If you want mine in particular, I have put the link in the description. So here we go, baking the shapes. Word on the street is the best gingerbread house glue is made from melted marshmallows. Oh no, we have to go and get marshmallows. I'm not going to take the good camera with me because we're going into Woolworths and I don't know how they feel about filming. And I'm not someone who really likes to draw attention to myself. That outfit though. Hey, that's what I'm gonna build. Like the most tense lift ride on my time. Oh my god, that looks so cute. Home again, diggity. Should probably change into something a little more kitchen appropriate. The marshmallow glue is made of literally just marshmallows and a splash of water. Pop it in the microwave for about 10 seconds. Once it does start to set, it does become easier to work with. This next little while is me failing at putting the gingerbread house together, but I like to follow the old adage, try and try again, and we got there in the end. Okay, finally, it's decorating time. This is the good shit. I actually forgot to press record during crucial moments in this, so I'm so sorry about that. But I do repeat everything I did that wasn't recorded. You just won't see the sexy it being built over time. I added black food gel to the marshmallow glue mixture to cover the walls in, and I'm also using it to glue everything onto the house. I've got a mix of strawberry and white carrots, cherry ripes for cherry pipes, and sour straps for the roofing, and an icing pen again mixed with the black food gel for the details. Oh my god, it's so cool! And now, it's time to destroy it. My lovely husband Jeb will be helping me with this one. Okay.
Oh, oh.
Oops. Sorry, that was a little hotter than intended.
Crumbly.
Oh god.
Bit off more than you could chew.
That will kill you. You go, you go. I feel like you need to black shuck it and eat the door. Okay, so the wolves for marshmallow, how was that?
Such an aggressive amount of gingerbread.
I can totally see why Hansel and Gretel would want to eat the witch's house. I'm sorry, if I came across this in the forest and I'd been walking for fucking hours, I'd be like, I'm gonna eat your house.
But what would drive a person to make an edible house? Like, what?
Cannibalism. You want to eat any more?
Oh, I'm starting to listen.
Alright. Thanks,
Oh, my pleasure. You don't feel like thousands out of people, huh?